Are they all here? Even those who are absent? So we come. Open again. Right. In brief, this program promotes girls in mathematics, in coding, IT, in physics, and in accounting, which is under finance. What we, WIMS-Cardano, would like to see, we would like to see the girls get 100% in maths under this program. We'll try by all means to assist them. Maths is one of the subjects they can achieve 100% without any argument. At the same time, they need to work hard with coding, IT. That is why I was appreciating the parents in school for having this program in this school. There are 4 schools in this program. And this is one of the 4 schools. There are more than 100 girls in this program. So we would like to thank you very much. And we can't say more than that. The minimum thing we need in maths is 60%. And in physics, 60%. We are driving towards achieving 100%. You might be crying, well, we cannot achieve 100%, but you can come and see my results. Out of 15, all of them are distinctions. And out of 15, 13 out of 15 are A+. And out of 15, 3 of them are 100%. I'm not bragging, but I've got the girls under me. No, she was supposed to be here under this program. I think out of 30 in the whole university, she got, I think, around 24 distinctions out of 30. I'm very strict, but it pays in the end to see distinctions. It takes you very hard. This is what I am thanking you all in this way today. Thank you so much.